In this video, I'll show you how to set up and use WeChat wallet. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, we have a separate video you want to check out on our channel on what WeChat is, but for those who haven't, it is a multi-purpose messaging, social media, and mobile payment app developed by Tencent in China. So WeChat offers a wide range of features, making it a comprehensive platform for communication, social networking, and digital transactions. Now, using your WeChat wallet or setting up, all you're gonna do is go down to if you have your mobile device with you, download the app, all right? Okay, and then this is gonna be the first step right here. Okay, that's gonna be our first step, right? All right, so when you are already here at this screen right here, so all I gotta do is sign up. All right, log in, sign up with mobile, or if you're already using your Facebook at that time, you might want to sign up via Facebook right here. So if you're a different region, say if you're a foreigner, it's okay. Just put your region, like Canada, right here. Next is you're gonna be put here some information, right? But be mindful, guys, that there will be they are a little bit strict, you know, in terms of the security settings. You need to set up security features such as payment password or fingerprint recognition to enhance the security of your WeChat wallet. All right, and you need to link one of your payment method, say like money transfers, red pockets, WeChat Pay, and all of that. Right. Remember, guys, the availability of WeChat wallet features can vary depending on your region or location, and the specific version of the app you are using. Right. And that's it. That's how you set up and use your WeChat wallet. Thank you so much for watching.